Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with a Samsung washing machine that's making a frustrating grinding noise during the spin cycle, don't worry. We're going to troubleshoot and fix this step by step. This is a common issue, especially with models from 2025, and it could be something simple or a bit more involved. First off, let's understand why this happens. The grinding noise often stems from worn-out bearings, which support the drum's rotation. Over time, these can wear down due to frequent use, leading to that unmistakable sound. Another culprit might be an unbalanced load. Too many clothes piled unevenly can cause the drum to wobble and grind against parts. Or, there could be foreign objects like coins or buttons stuck in the machine, interfering with the spin. Now, before you call in a professional, let's try some easy fixes at home. Start by unplugging the machine for safety. Open the door and check the drum for any loose items. If it's clear, run a test cycle with a balanced load, like a few towels, and listen closely. If the noise persists, you might need to inspect the belt or pulleys underneath. For that, you'll have to remove the back panel. Make sure you're comfortable with basic tools. If you hear the grinding mainly during high-speed spins, it could indicate bearing failure, which often requires replacing parts. Tools you'll need include a screwdriver, flashlight, and maybe some lubricant for minor issues. Remember, if your machine is under warranty, contact Samsung support first. In my experience, addressing this early can prevent bigger problems like water leaks or motor damage. To wrap it up, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter and avoiding overloading can keep your washer running smoothly. If you're unsure or the noise doesn't go away, it's time to call a technician. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair tips. Let's keep those appliances humming.